Beneath the surface lie four main layers: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Magma collects in underground chambers, slowly pooling beneath the crust. Tectonic plates shift and collide, generating the stresses that lead to volcanism. As magma rises, pressure builds against the crust like steam in a sealed chamber. Underground, it's magma. Once it reaches the surface, it becomes lava. Dissolved gases form bubbles that expand and can violently fragment the magma. Eventually, pressure forces magma upward through a vent, the pathway to eruption. Shield volcanoes spread wide and low. Their fluid lava creates broad, gentle slopes. Hawaiian examples like Kilauea show effusive, non-explosive eruptions that build shield volcanoes. Stratovolcanoes are steep, layered cones formed by alternating explosive ash and lava flows. Mount St. Helens' 1980 eruption was catastrophically explosive, sending vast ash high into the atmosphere. Cinder cones are small, steep piles of tephra and scoria built around a single vent. In nature, these cones appear as isolated hills, often surrounded by loose volcanic debris. Icelandic eruptions can disrupt air travel and reshape landscapes far beyond their eruption sites. Are we ready for the next big eruption?